We also have one other tree removal request, which is 72 of Lane. And what is being proposed is the removal of 10 pines.
Because why?
They are concerned with the impact to their house. These are all tall spindly pines.
How far away from the house are they?
This is a sidewalk, I think.
I mean, look at them. That thing would have to be taller than this, at the scale, taller than this pen in order to even reach the house.
You're talking about 72.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And apparently on the opposite corner of the house, there was a cluster of pines that were removed as well. And I guess it was discussed when the board was reviewing this initially.
It was discussed.
The removal or potential for removal of these trees.
And why do these have to be removed?
We still really know.
I
It's
can't believe it.
spindly
If you look
trees.
at them, look how far they are from the house.
And they're outside
Have you
the
seen
limit
it?
of work line. Isn't this
Mhm.
the limit of work
Yeah.
line?
Mm-hmm.
Do they look like they're threatening the house?
I don't think they're threatening the house, but they are spindly pines.
It's
That's
not a,
the
it's not a
aesthetic.
health and safety issue.
Right.
This is an aesthetic issue that's masquerading as a health and safety issue.
No comment.
Are they close set spindly pines? Would perhaps thinning one or two make it so the
No.
others? Okay, so
No.
it's not that, all right.
I think we gotta look at it.
This request was made to the conscom first, and the conscom administrator granted them the approval.
Good,
So,
yeah.
anyhow.
And what does that mean?
That means that
One hurdle.
one hurdle,
Yeah, we still have to look at it.
okay.
But y'all
Is
want
this
to
the
have
house
a
that's
full,
already
a
occupied?
full-blown
Or is
sidewalk
this
out
one
there?
still under construction?
Or is it just as well to have?
It's
Mark 'em.
not. They have an
Mark 'em.
occupant.
Yeah, otherwise we're trespassing, see.
No, I mean, we can have an official sidewalk, but does it have to involve every last member of
The other thing on this particular,
No, as long as you're there.
the,
Well, that was basically what I was.
the other issue, and I'll just be really quick, Michelle brought this to my attention, and this appears to be the low point of the driveway, and the catch basin is here. So, they have not put the final top coat on this driveway. So, I've asked Dave to take a look at it in terms of whether they can retweak this. Also, this calls to be a wall, a 3-foot-high wall, and this wall was never installed. So, right now, they just have a cobblestone edging in here.
Is this the house where they added the cobblestone
Mm-hmm.
next to the road
Mhm.
at the last minute?
Mhm. And then
They
we had
wanted
a
to get it-
hearing on that,
And so they had a temporary occupancy?
yeah.
Well, so what's the question?
So, anyhow, I just wanted to bring this to your attention, and this wall, I will be,
Yeah,
It's not built.
They
It's
gotta
not
build
built.
it the way it's designed.
right,
Yeah.
Right.
Or ask for a change.
right. So, when do you wanna do the site visit for this?
When's the next time we have a chance?
Some Tuesday when
Yeah,
there's
some
nothing
Tuesday.
else,
January.
when there's nothing else going on.
Exactly. There's no rush to get into it.
When's the next Tuesday when we have a chance?
Okay, I think we actually.
Past 11 now.
I'll get back to you on that.
Okay.
I think, it's possible on December 2nd.
If we don't do the Pope St. John
December
Seminary.
Right,
2nd.
right.
Town
They-
meeting day.
And there were already 2 others that day that I guess aren't happening anymore.
No, they're not. I sent you a revised schedule.
I didn't get that.
Okay, I'll send it to you.
But But if not, we have Tuesday the 9th. We already have something scheduled for Tuesday the 16th.
Well, we have a possible meeting with Dawn.
She said she'd get back to us.
That's on the 5th,
I have it as
Fifth
fifth,
or
the
ninth.
or
ninth,
the 9th.
and
It's the 5th
is it?
It's definitely the 5th?
It's
the
definitely
fifth.
fifth, when did that all happen? I'm
today.
the last to know.
Today.
Okay, thank you.
It's
All right,
hot off the presses.
thank you.
Yeah, so it could happen the 2nd if that St. John doesn't happen, or the 9th if
Okay.
it does happen.
Okay, I'll get back to you on
And that's at 8 AM, right now?
Yep.
So you should add it, it's the tree removal request, the drainage review, and the wall
Mhm.
is what we would have to look at,
Right,
or lack thereof.
right.
All righty.
I think we'll pass on.
Thank you.
that. Okay,
Nighty night. You guys
that's
don't
all we
care for-
have,
Thank you.
All right, so
except for
we
minutes.
hold
But
on
we
to,
can
onto the minutes,
Hold on
right?
to the minutes for the next meeting, and those 3 sets of minutes, various people have reviewed them and approved them.
Oh,
They
good.
have?
Various people.
Then why do
Various
we have
ones
to
of
look
us?
at them?
Because the protocol was that one person was gonna review it for the
Yeah.
board, approve it, and then it was gonna
Oh.
come to the board for.
Okay.
Oh, these are pre-digested.
Pre-reviewed.
But then that would be true, then there's a lot more we've reviewed that we haven't all seen as a.
But I don't have the changes.
Okay, so could you email us the revised budget schedule with?
Yep.
That'd be
Okay.
good. All right,
What
somebody
about-
wanna move that, I
Be
notice that
adjourned.
people are standing up. Somebody wanna move that we close the meeting?
I so moved.
Okay, all in favor?
Aye.
Ay, 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 ay.
What is this other stuff?
This other stuff is kind of interesting.